In this video, we are going to talk about the passive income during inflation. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Your purchasing power is reduced by inflation, but there are ways to mitigate its impacts, most notably by creating passive income. Investment-based passive income can increase your earning potential by providing you with monthly cash dividends that don't require much effort on your part. Here is the list of passive income during inflation. So let's start. Number 10. Rent out property. The renting out of a portion of your house is one of the simplest passive income sources available. You might assume that this entails acquiring a costly rental property and taking out a mortgage, but you would be incorrect. You may use Airbnb to rent out a single room in your home and begin receiving rent payments right now. The drawback of this strategy is that, of all the passive income opportunities on this list, it is by far the least passive. Renting out a house requires actual labor, such as establishing listings, doing repairs, speaking with potential tenants, collecting rent, and so on. If you use Airbnb, rent collection happens automatically. Number 9. Invest in bonds. Bond investing is another passive income possibility you might think about. You can passively earn interest using bond funds like BMO Midterm Investment Grade U.S. Corporate Bond ETF. After you have made your initial investment, this strategy requires no further work, unlike renting out real estate. The drawbacks include the necessity for initial capital and the possibility that returns won't exceed inflation. Number 8. Invest in dividend stocks. Investing in dividend equities is the final and third way to beat inflation. Our offers the finest balance of passivity and ability to beat inflation out of all the options on this list. Dividends, as opposed to bond interest, can increase over time. They can therefore help you stay ahead of inflation as a passive source of income. iShares S and AMP Wink with tongue sticking out /TSX 60 Index Fund is an example, TSX XIU. It is a TSX index fund with a 2.5% yield. Although 2.5% may not seem like a significant yield, it can increase with time. Number 7. Create a course. Making an audio or video course, then sitting back and watching the money stream in from the sale of your product, is a common method for generating passive income. Sites like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera allow for the distribution and sale of courses. A freemium model is an alternative that entails gaining a following through free content and then charging for in-depth knowledge or for people who want to know more. This paradigm may be used, for instance, by language instructors and stock-picking counsel. The free content serves as an example of your skills and could draw individuals seeking advancement. Number 6. Write an ebook. Writing an ebook can be a good way to benefit from the low cost of publishing and even use Amazon's global distribution to bring your book in front of possibly millions of potential customers. Since they rely on your own skills, ebooks can be created for relatively little money and for lengths of 30 to 50 pages. You'll need to be an authority on a particular subject, although it's possible that the subject is niche and calls for specialized knowledge or talents that few possess, but that many people desire. On an online platform, you can quickly design the book and test market several titles and price points. Number 5. Rental income. Renting out real estate is a good strategy to generate passive income. But more effort than individuals anticipate is frequently required. According to John H. Graves, an accredited investment fiduciary, AIF, in the Los Angeles region and author of The 7% Solution, you can afford a comfortable retirement. If you don't invest the time to understand how to make it lucrative, you risk losing your entire investment. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Through the use of a link on their website or social media account, bloggers, social media influencers, or proprietors of websites can promote a third party's product. The most well-known affiliate partner may be Amazon, but other well-known brands include eBay, Awin, and Share a Sale. And for companies trying to build a following and advertise their wares, Instagram and TikTok have grown into enormous platforms. To draw attention to your blog or otherwise point people toward goods and services they might need, you might also think about building an email list. Number 3. Flip retail products. Use internet marketplaces like eBay or Amazon to your advantage and resell items you find elsewhere for a discount. You can make money by arbitraging the difference between your purchase and sale prices, and you might be able to attract customers who follow your bargains. The pricing discrepancies between what you can locate and what the typical consumer might be able to discover will allow you to profit. If you have a contact who can provide you access to inexpensive goods that few other people can find, this might work particularly well for you. Or perhaps you can locate precious goods that others have merely missed. Number 2. Sell photography online. Although selling photography online might not seem like the most apparent way to start a passive income stream, you could be able to grow your efforts if you can sell the same images repeatedly. You may collaborate with a company like Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Alamy to do that. You must first receive platform approval before you can start licensing your photos for use by anyone who downloads them. When someone uses your photo on the platform, you get paid. You'll need images that speak to a particular demographic or capture a particular scenario, and you'll need to figure out where the market is. Photographs could be of models, scenery, imaginative scenes, and more, or they could record actual events that might be covered by the media. Number 1. By crowdfunded real estate. A crowdfunding site is another alternative if you want to invest in real estate but don't want to handle a lot of the labor-intensive tasks, maintenance, repairs, dealing with tenants, and more. Real estate is chosen by a skilled investing team, after which you can decide whether to invest in it and how much you feel comfortable with. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.